why do you think empathy is important?
Because you're teaching a day on it. What else would you be here?
I think Empathy Day is a joke. We all know empathy is in the brain and has to do with the mirror neurons.
To be honest, I don't even know what empathy is. So all you, corporate man.
Empathy actually has a lot to do with the brain, as it's tied to biological processes, whereas some people think that it has to do with cultural norms from society. Empathy can be defined as the understanding of another person's experience by imagining another oneself in that situation. It's been hypothesized that humans and other animals have empathy because of mirror neurons, which are activated not only when you perform a movement, but also when movements are imagined, like when you mentally rehearse something. Mirror neurons were originally found in premotor and parietal cortices of monkeys when monkeys were executing and observing actions. Therefore, it's thought that mirror neurons play a role in empathy, because if we see someone who's sad, we're able to remember what it felt like when we have been sad. Empathy has also been seen in other animals, showing that empathy is rooted in biology rather than human bias. In one study with rats, it was found that rats were motivated to help release their cage mates who were trapped, even when they were offered the alternative of chocolate chips.
Now we're going to do an activity to show how to be empathetic in the workplace.
No! I've made these flashcards, and what we're gonna do to better explain empathy is everyone's gonna get one, and you're gonna place that flashcard on your forehead, and you're gonna guess what's on your flashcard by other people acting how you should be empathetic. I don't have emotion. What is empathy?
Am I a robot?
No. I'm going to secretly bottle up all my emotions and act like I don't give a about you.
Oh, I'm like God!
Studies of infants have shown that neurologically, there's not much of a difference between girls and boys' capacity for empathy.
Sit down. Take a chair. You seem like you've had a hard day.
Am I a well-mannered individual?
Get deeper! Get intense!
I don't have any money.
I don't know.
Low income.
Person. What does that have to do with empathy?
Well, in fact, actually, poor communities tend to show more empathy, generosity, and even teamwork. Looks like I'm going to give all of you guys a salary deduction.
Would you all mind signing this paper? Think of it as a pledge to be more empathetic in the workplace.
I'm not signing that.
Damn it! Even rats have empathy. You're actually the only signature I need. After your incident with Suzanne's dog
Oh, here we go again with Suzanne's dog.
and you making a joke saying it was just a dog, go get a new one. It was not empathetic at all.
Fine, I'll sign it. Signed, Suzanne's dog. He's gonna lose it when he sees that.